don't know why that sounded country, but welcome back to my channel. It's another video. Well, this is gonna be about this ponytail, y'all. I really love it. You can see that it has some color to it, and I really like it. So yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching to see how I achieved this high ponytail. To wrap it because then it holds everything. Like, it holds my edges, it's gonna hold this down, and it's gonna make the style last longer. So this hair does have some highlights in it, and it's really long. It's kind of like a Brazilian curly. I did get this from my local beauty supply store, so I'll try to find the link so I can put it down in the description box just so you guys know where to find this. It was only $14, so you really can't go wrong with that. And it's gonna be called a drawstring ponytail. So to prepare it, since I have been wearing it, I will loosen up the drawstring so that it will open up all the way to go around. So you can see my bun. I do that just so it gets it as flat as possible. So I'm gonna take this off. And you gotta do it slow because you did put got to be glued on, and so it will stick to your edges. So if you pull off your scarf super fast, you might not have any more edges. So I'm going to take this, the opening of it, and you want to put the first comb in there. And that's why I like that it has combs, because then you know it's really not going nowhere. And then you'll put the back combs in there. And then you want to find the drawstring. So once you find the drawstring, you want to take this, pull it up in there, And you want to go as tight as you can, just because that will hold it all day, depending on the activity that you're going to be doing. There, and then you want to take the string, wrap it around, clip it with a bobby pin. You really don't want that string to be showing. Then what I like to do to make it look even more natural is take any piece. I know some people, they like to take, if it has color in it, they'll take it from the very back, so then they can make sure that the blonde isn't wrapped around the ponytail. But I'm gonna take this piece here because it looks like a good one. I like to use Creme of Nature. I also like to use this on my natural hair because it just sets and holds everything for you. And you want to get the piece and make sure it's fanned out. And then you're just going to wrap it. Super quick style. If you don't want to go and get bundles and don't know how to wrap bundles, because I don't, and it takes too long to have to wrap and then bobby pin, wrap and then bobby pin, you can just go ahead and do this option. So when I get it all the way wrapped around, alright, and then if you guys want, I like to, when I do first get this, to make it look more natural, I do run my fingers through it, which can, some people it'll disturb the curls so they won't do that, but I like to because it makes it look more natural again. And you can see how long it is. But yeah, y'all, style is awesome. I really enjoy it. It's really nice when I want to go out, I can just put this in really quick. And my natural hair is actually protected, so I like that as well. And the best part of it is it's super easy, super affordable. I paid, like I said, $14 for this, so I mean, it doesn't get better than that. If you want to go and buy bundles and spend $100 and something and have to wrap them, then you can do that as well, or you can go and pay to get a stylist to do it, but I enjoy trying to save money, so I did it this way. But I really like it, so if you guys want to see how I paired this with some outfits and things like that, then follow me on Instagram at radiant__moon, and you guys can see some pictures that I've taken with this hair and different like outfits that I put with it, because you can dress it up or you can dress it down. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for my next video.